Are you ready?
Okay, ready?
Here goes. Landon, look at my... Yeah. Oh.
Yep, you ready?
Landon, you ready?
Ready?
He's all fascinated with that dog.
Ready?
Summer's up at the hotel tonight.
Every time I turn the camera on, he stops what he's doing.
Okay.
All right. That's a puppy. There it is. Puppy.
Hi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, puppy. Ready?
Puppy, yeah. He wants to see the puppy, but he doesn't.
No.
Huh?
Landon, are you ready?
Here goes. Get ready to hit the ball.
Landon.
Here we go.
Ready?
You ready?
Yes.
Puppy. He's still fascinated.
There you go!
It's like that commercial that had a million times for Verizon. That woman, the guy standing there, and she's got the dog and says, "Puppy." And we're going to bundle. The guy has all these wires. These people have moved to the neighborhood.
I
You
wonder
watch
if it's
much TV.
not a ton, do you think?
Go! So the Cardinals pulled one out. The Cincinnati won today, too.
Man, they're just unbelievable.
What you got? Oh! Yay! He slid in there safe.
Man,
Our ground just like concrete.
I know.
So dry.
Yes.
Boy, I didn't know he's that good. Guys.
Watch him go. Ready?
Huh?
Yep.
Here we go. Whoa! Man, you got it.
He don't even swing.
High five, Landon.
Yay!
Home
Oh,
run.
your mom's got a nice little car, doesn't she?
Yeah, it's cute, isn't
She
it?
was. I was wondering whose car that was. I was out here talking to Tyler, poor guy. I thought he got his settlement, and he's going to have to fight it now.
Yeah.
Doesn't Mallory have a nice little car?
Yeah, I've ridden in that. Isn't that nice?
She did all that herself.
Yes.
You
When
ready?
she first got it, she took it
Oh,
that
she
night. Yeah.
Hold on here.
Here we go.
Yeah.
There we go. Now.
Yeah. Ready?
He gets a little distracted, doesn't he, sometimes?
Landon, look at Mama. Ready?
Hey,
Ready?
here we go.
Ready? Bye-bye.
Oh, okay.
Who are we talking to? Is there someone else around here? Jackson?
Ready?
Where's Jackson?
Ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Go, go, go,
Wow.
And here we go.
Fast on that first baseline.
There we go.
Landon, your pants are falling down.
Hold on here.
Oh, wait,
Calm down
look.
for a
Let me
minute.
pull him up here.
Pull your
Did
pants
you
up.
see that guy last night and they threw Okendo out? He's coming out there putting his pants.
Yes. That guy was
He was
making...
in the dugout. They threw out this coat on the Cardinals, so they had to have another one. And he was sitting in there, I guess, in the locker room, didn't have his pants on.
Yeah, and he had to run out
and
with
he's
his
walking
pants
out on national TV, putting it, buttoning his pants and buttoning.
Ready?
Ready?
That was-
Who was that idiot?
I don't know who he was.
Whoa.
Oh, my gosh. Yay! Mom goes, boy, I bet they'll be worn out tonight. I go, no. No.
Oh, yeah, they will. They're just falling
I
down.
go, he could run a marathon today.
You've
Yeah.
told me that, eh? But he doesn't?
No, did you see him last night?
No.
No, we'd been to Silver Dollar.
No, you didn't get to me and you hid out in the living room. She was nice enough to give us, let's watch the game.
Whoa, here comes your hot
Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Hold on.
So you
Good
sliced
night.
the whole race.
Man.
You okay?
Mm.
Come here.
Oh,
What
man.
in the world?
Come here, give me
This
your
is a 5-minute video. I guess I could
No,
probably
funny.
stop it.
I think it is.
All right, all done with the video.
There
Say
we
bye-bye.
go.
Whoa.
Man,
You okay?
poor guy. He's all beat up from playing ball.
Oh,
Oh, no.
that was a big snot.
Here comes your car.
Yeah, that's neighbors, I think. I believe that's
You
right.
ready?
Or is it? No, it's a different one.
Ready?
They used to live right to...
Landon.
Then you go pull up your pants.
Pull up your pants.
Ready?
Don't lose your drawers under the
Ready?
bed.
Let me
Right.
help you. Oh, you got it.
Look at there. Boy, he's ready to go. Look at that.
Ready?
Yay, the move!
Come on. High five.
Hey, Jay.
Hello. All done.